Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to find and view archived tasks in ClickUp, so you can recover important work, review old items, or restore anything you need without starting from scratch. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're inside the correct workspace, the one that contains the archive task you're after. This matters because archive tasks stay in their original location, so if you have multiple workspaces, start in the right one. Next, head to the left sidebar and navigate to the space, folder, or list where the task originally lived. Think back to where you were working when you created or archived it. Archive tasks don't move, so they'll be right where you left them. Now look to the top right corner of your task view and click the filter button. This is the gateway to a set of display options that ClickUp keeps tucked away to keep your active task list clean and uncluttered. Inside the filter options, look for something labeled Archive Tasks or Show Archived. You'll either see a toggle you can flip on or a checkbox you can select. Enable it, and ClickUp will immediately refresh the view to include all archive tasks alongside your active ones. They'll typically appear slightly dimmed or with a label so you can tell them apart at a glance. Now you can browse through the archive tasks that appear. Click on any one of them to open it and review the details. If you decide you need that task back in your active workflow, look for a restore or unarchive option inside the task. That will move it straight back into your live task list where you can pick up where you left off. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. If you're struggling to find a specific archive task, double check that you're looking in the correct space or list where it was originally created. You can also use the search bar and type the task name to find it faster. And note that restoring archived tasks may require certain permissions depending on your role in the workspace. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find and restore archived tasks in ClickUp. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.